rain is tapping on my window pane. Another night I spend here all alone again. Your coat still hangs behind the door, but you won't wear it anymore. I rewind our memories like old cassette tapes. Your voice, your smile, they're fading fast. I try to hold on, but I know it's time to let you go, though it hurts inside. When the rain stops, will I see the sun? Will the pain fade, or will I run from the shadows of what we used to be, from the ghost of you that follows me? When the rain stops, will I learn to breathe, or will I drown in memories? I'm waiting for the storm to end, hoping I can start again. I cleaned your mug from the kitchen shelf, put your photos in a box myself. It's not about forgetting, it's about being brave, about learning how to live beyond the grave, of what we were, of what we planned, of the future that slipped through my hands. I watch the clouds move across the sky and whisper goodbye as I learn to say goodbye. When the rain stops, will I see the sun? Will the pain fade, or will I run from the shadows of what we used to be, from the ghost of you that follows me? When the rain stops, will I learn to breathe, or will I drown in memories? I'm waiting for the storm to end, hoping I can start again. But maybe, just maybe, when the clouds break free, I'll find a strength I never knew in me, not to forget to carry on with grace, with all the love we shared etched on our face. When the rain stops, I will see the sun. The pain will fade, and I will run, not from the shadows